Let's see how Pythagoras is examined in our question. The diagram below shows the isosceles triangle ABC. So we can see we have, let's move that properly, isosceles triangle. So that is 9 centimeters, and that is AB and AC, that is 9 centimeters as well. D is the midpoint of BC. So we can see that from A to D is 5, therefore from D to C is as well 5 centimeters. And then we have those, the 9 and the 5. So we have to use the theorem of Pythagoras to work out the distance from A to D. So we are looking for what distance? That's the distance we are looking for. Give your answer correct to 1 decimal place. Pythagoras, where is it? Page 16 in our table. First thing, what do? We write down our formula. So in order to use Pythagoras, we need to know which side is A, B, and C in our own triangle. And how do we know that? Well, the only reference angle we have is the right angle here, and the side that is opposite the right angle, that's always C. So 9 is going to be C. When it comes to A and B for Pythagoras, it doesn't matter. Why? Because we are adding them. So let's say that that is A, and let's say the side we are looking for is B. So let's replace letters with numbers. So first A, we said that will be 5. So that will be 5 to the power of 2 plus B is the side I'm looking for. So let's write, we can write AD. And again, that is as well taken to the power of 2 equals C, and our C, that's 9, and as well taken to the power of 2. Now, I want AD on its own, not AD plus 5. What do I do with this 5? Move it to the other side. And what do I need to remember about that? That I'm changing the sign to the opposite. So positive value became negative. Now, we want AD, not AD to the power of 2. How do we eliminate power of 2? We take a square root of the other side. And then what do we do with that? We put it in the calculator, press equal, and according to the terms and condition to 1 decimal place, we get 7.5. Again, one of most common items we're going to do will be Pythagoras. The only thing, remember, Pythagoras exists only in right angle triangles. So we have to identify where that right angle triangle is and then put those letters to our triangle.